guy paint his classic vehicle with Krylon rust protector? Let's find out. Leave your guesses down in the comments. What color will this truck be? Good morning, everybody. Working on the hood for a 77 F-150. In the past video, I rebuilt all this, welded it in. When I was finishing it up, I didn't like how it was metal finishing, so I just applied a very thin layer of Bondo. I had some damage here. I was about to Bondo it as well, and I was like, oh, I should break out the camera, I guess. I should be making a video anyway. You can see here, I got some, I don't want that on my ruler. You can see how thin of a spot I need to Bondo there. There is that. I'm not giving a shit about that. If I have to cut that out, and then I'm going to open up this whole can of worms. I'm just going to put a thin 1/8 of an inch Bondo job over. The worst spot is right here. That's maybe slightly more than an eighth, barely. When we're done that, we got some damage in the front here to fix. And then maybe we can transform some color here if we got time today. And there we go. Applied, waiting to dry. Not really my best work, but the sander will tell the truth in the end. Okay, as you can see, clean the paint off. I can feel, well, you can see where there's a couple lows. That's the main one right there. And the rest is pretty good. I can't get into it. This is the hole I'm working through where our hood would latch. So if I was, because it's up here, at the top of the hood, for me to get in there, I got to cut this all out, and there's no point in spending a month of Sundays on that and that and that. So same thing, Shmoo DD Speed Shop style, and we'll just sand it out after. I'll take my sandpaper and get in there good, make sure that our Bondo has something to adhere to. Alright, we're waiting for everything to dry. Shouldn't take long because it is freaking hot today. Can't decide what's worse, the heat or the mosquitoes. So while we're waiting, I think we'll deal with this mess here. You can see it pretty good there. So we'll get the wheel well out of the way. We'll go to town with our hammer and dolly on that. Okay, that's pretty close, except close only counts in horseshoes, and we're not playing horseshoes, so. Got a low here, and a low here. This is a high right through here. You can see. I think you can see. I hope the camera picks that up. This is not too bad on this side, moving away from it. But we're getting that natural flow back in it that it's supposed to be there. So we'll just keep working that a little bit more, and hopefully we can pop these up. Well, my patience wore thin, so I got a little Bondo treatment itself. And started block sanding this. Well, my Bondo job is not as nice as I would like it to be. But my give-a-fuck-a-meter is quite low because it's quite hot out. So we're just rolling with it. This side's alright. I missed a little ding right there. Also, give-a-fuck-a-meter, don't care. Alright, it's after supper, everything's dry. Gonna give her a quick once over with sandpaper, and gonna hit it with the color. What color could it possibly be? Stay tuned for more. Leave your guesses down in the comments. What color will this truck be? So I'm sanding away on this thing. I'm listening to Scott from Cold War Motors talking about the value of his Fraser if he repainted it. He's talking me out of painting this thing. Ooh, I better get on this before I quit. All right. Okay. Big reveal time. Oh my God, it's blue. Well, I think I see some orange peel and probably some wet sanding in my future. It looks all right. So this is what we're using, this Krylon rust protector. True Blue is the name. And then for a hardener, same Krylon farm implement. So what I did is I mixed it as a 4:1:1 ratio. I'm wondering if it's just not laying down well enough. So my final coat because I've done 2. I mixed enough the first time for 2. I'm going to do 4, 2, and 1. See if that helps with it thinned out, if it can get rid of some of that, fill in some of that orange peel. Probably not. Probably going to be wet sanding. That's fine. I had bought this paint because I had watched Whitley Auto Restorations, Whitley, something like that, and he was using Krylon, and he was having great results. And after I bought this stuff, he put out a post, not a video, saying he was taking down all his videos because people were having troubles with it. So we'll see what this looks like tomorrow when we're done. But I gotta do another coat no matter what. If this truly is junk paint to use, well, I guess I'll be everybody's guinea pig. I should mention in his post, and then there was a video where he briefly mentioned it. It wasn't, I don't think he said anything about orange peeling with it. It was taking forever to cure, like a week, for it to completely be not tacky. This is the lacquer thinner I'm using. Is that the right thing to use? Probably not, but works for me. Well, good morning. I only found one fly or bug that didn't want to be around anymore. Definitely got some orange peel action going on. The paint itself, I mean, it looks pretty good besides the orange peel, but it's still tacky. I don't think it's going to take a week to cure. Sure looks okay for what it's on, you know. Looks a little silly. That painted and the rest of the truck looking like that. So far I will say it looks fine. It's not going to take a week to cure. Got some orange peel. That's me. I did that. That's probably not the paint's fault. Probably crap work by me. The real test will be now, will it hold up over time? So I'll have to come back, have a review. So come back and make sure you check that out later. Like this video, subscribe. If you learned anything from it, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.